Here the question is, design a DFA over the alphabet 0, 1 which accepts the set of strings with 3 consecutive zeros. That means in every string you should have 3 zeros consecutively. That means you should have every string shall contain 3 continuous zeros. If any string contains continuous zeros, then your string is accepted. So first what you have to write? Your step 1. Step 1 is, first of all you have to write what are the language of strings. The minimum string is 000, 1000, 110001, so on. So here it consists of 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. The minimum string is 3 zeros. Step 2. We have to write the minimum diagram for the minimum string. Q0 on 0, you are going to Q1. On Q1 on 0, you are going to Q2. On taking 0, another 0, you are going to Q3. Now this is accepted state. But this diagram is only for accepting 3 consecutive zeros. But your string may consisting of ones also. Now step 3. Again you write the diagram Q0. When it sees a 0, it goes to Q1. When it sees another 0, you are going to Q2. And when you see another 0, you are going to Q3. Suppose you need 3 consecutive zeros. What happens if 1 comes before? Once comes, any number of ones initially comes, you don't care. Why? Because you are looking for first 0. Before that 0, any number of ones may come, but you are not required to care about those ones. So here, initially when I see a 1, I will be on the same state. I will be on the self loop. Again, if I see one first 0, I am happy, because when I see a first 0, again I am looking for another 0. Suppose if another 0 comes, okay. If after seeing first 0, what happens if 1 comes next time? What happens if 1 comes next time? So your 0 has ended. Why? Because after 0 you are expecting another 0, but 1 comes. So now whatever the work you have done so far, it is wasted. Again you have to try for another 0. Now when you see a 1, again you are going to the initial state. And from here you are waiting for 0. If 0 comes, okay. If another 0 comes, then okay. What happens if 1 comes? Again, after this 0, again you have to go to the initial state and wait for 0. Suppose 0 comes, 0 comes, 0 comes. After 3 zeros, after observing 3 zeros, if any number of zeros or ones are accepted after 3 zeros. So what happens if any 0 or 1 comes after 3 zeros? You are not required to, you are not supposed to worry, because your 3 zeros comes, you are coming to the final state. After completing 3 zeros, 3 consecutive zeros, any number of zeros or any number of ones, you are not supposed to care. So you will be on the same final state. So now this is a DFA which accepts 3 consecutive zeros in the given string. Okay, here I have discussed all the possibilities. On Q0 I have discussed 0 and 1. On Q1 I have discussed 0 and 1. On Q2 I have written 0 and 1. 0 and 1. And finally on Q3 I have discussed both 0 and 1. That means on all the states, all the input symbols are properly defined. Now this is the DFA which accepts the strings consisting of 3 consecutive zeros. Now we can write the steps 4. We can write the transition table, and we can take strings for accepting and rejecting, and we can take the 5 tuple structure. So finally the diagram for this is, so the diagram for this is Q0, This is 1. You are going to Q1. When you see a 1, when you see a 1, again you are coming back. When you see 0, you are moving forward. When you see again a 1, you are coming to the initial state. When you see another 0, you are going to Q3, and Q3 will be the final state, and here you are accepting any number of zeros and ones. So this is the diagram for accepting the consecutive zeros in the given string. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all, thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment on my YouTube channel. In future, we are going to create many more videos on computer science engineering subjects. Thank you.